quick test with the LFP. First, I've just got it sitting in water with nothing else in it. And what I'm going to do is just put some soap in there and kind of mix it around and get as much foam as it, and just see how it reacts. So now I've got it in there. I'll just go ahead and just start mixing it around and get as much foam as I can. And I end up getting about an inch of foam, and it's still reliably detecting the liquid level. And all this is just with factory settings. It's a 200 millimeter long probe. So looks like it works out pretty well. Stable signals, even though I've got some foam or soap suds. So really dependent on the medium. All right, thank you.